to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about the incident that took place in Westmoreland where two farmers unfortunately lost their lives. We're going to talk about the incident itself and the bigger story right so. Very sad situation. Now, the reports are that two farmers them left out about 200 goats and sheep. The name of the farmers, a 65-year-old Henry Jones and a 42-year-old Brian Chambers. Say no, it's a regular routine. Family and friends know say this time of day them carry out goat and carry out sheep. Then they might expect them back by a certain time. When nobody not see them, and if you make things spooky, some of the animals them reach back at the yard. Cause you know it got ready. Right? Them animals them used to the routine too. They can't find back them yard. So some of the animals them reach back, but nobody not see the two man them. So people start look, people start search. You know, you go to Jamaica when they see big people missing. When you start to reach days, people start to fear the worst. And unfortunately, in this situation, it was the worst. The men were found with their hands bound behind their back, lifeless. This case is also spooky because just recently, when you hear about the shooting in Spanish Town, Marshpen Road, 3 people, that also involved a goat farmer who some of them goat them go missing, and then with the help of the police, they will come over to the goat them, and then not long after that, we see a man get shot up. This is spooky. When you see things like this, even though you might think one happened at Spanish Town and one happened at Westmoreland, right? It's very likely so that them are connected. It's very possible. Remember, these networks, them they just sit in one parish. They move across the island, and Jamaica is very small. It is very clear that these are no regular goat thieves. Them youth are willing to shoot and kill people. These are 87s, right? We are thief animal. Because in the case of a Spanish Town, and in the case of Westmoreland, them kill the man them. One time when they hear about goat thief, you know, say, man, no, the worst thing a man want to do is buck up na the farmer. That's his worst nightmare. No like them man, you can't wait for buck up na the farmer. To kill the farmer and take him things them. It just seemed too spooky, so all of a sudden, right, this goat thieving and shooting thing, right, so close to each other. Hopefully, the security forces can get to the bottom of it, but we could talk about the bigger picture right so. What's the bigger picture you may be asking? Pretty and lastly, people that lose them livestock, farmers suffering at the hands of criminals. Not just the thief, you know, them actually lose them life, I get tied up and behind back, all kind of foolishness. People keep saying Jamaica need to produce more. Stop import, produce more. Well, so when do people ever produce more? See what when they do to people here will produce more. Jamaica need more farmers. See what they do to farmers here? They are already a dying breed. And the one them with them out, the man them a shoot them off. And when time the farmer no left, then you go hear the same people them ball say, every day we just import. See, Jamaican culture, right? Jamaican society are the masters at broken them one foot. It's bad enough trying to get more people, especially young people, to get into farming because they know it's a lot of heavy labor, right? And them young youths nowadays, and they really know them kind of hard labor thing. They're really so popular one time. And like one time where if you're a farmer, you used to get be a girl. Remember them days? One time if you're a farmer, one young lady you say you have one 35 cow, right? You were like some kind of prize, and them days are gone. No, people want to look down upon farming. But the man them still do it. See what I'm telling you? The last thing Jamaica needs is farmers kiss them teeth and say them can't bother. When I complain about price of this and quality of that, and import this and import that, them time wanna go see it. Farmers are not protected. But then you could make that argument against all groups of Jamaicans, except politicians, of course. But most 87 is not trouble them. We could talk about the word deterrence. The reason why 87 is no one to smoke with their feared politicians is because they know what will happen afterwards. You know, so there's nowhere in Jamaica him can go. There's nowhere him can hide and they get hunted. 87s are aware that there's no length the state wouldn't go to for help solve that case. They're also aware that's the people, the public, would pick up the phone and call fast. But it's when them think about you go rob and kill farmer, that thought don't cross their mind. They're not thinking, after I do this, I'm going to be in a world of trouble. After I do this, not even one hole in a central village can help me. They cure me hide. They're not thinking that. They're thinking, they're going to thief from a farmer, rob, kill a farmer, 2 days story, and life goes on. Now obviously I don't expect the JCF to deploy police officers in every single bush all across Jamaica. But farmers can protect themselves better. We're talking all the time about this firearms thing. I know enough farmers apply for them firearms, and let me be clear. In them times, especially considering just how important local farming is, I wish you said the word pre-their last thing get out of hand. Even though there is a pre-their last unit, but right, as you can imagine, it's not the most heavily funded unit. It's actually a very small unit. Them try them best, but let me tell you how these farmers can really protect themselves and their livelihoods. By being armed. Jamaican farmers need to walk through the bush with at least a 12 gauge shotgun. They can hit the dislike button all you want. There is no reason why a farmer shouldn't be armed. If you ask me to list 5 to 10 professions in Jamaica that must be armed, farmers are one of them. People who raise livestock, especially at that level, 200 goat and sheep, have to be armed. Armed and trained. When you're not tying out cow, you should be on the range. That should be the daily routine of a farmer in Jamaica. Wake up in the morning, tie out the goat them, tie out the sheep, and then go to the little range, because you must have one spot on the bush where you can use for range. You get the necessary authorities them come in and say, alright, this spot can be used as a range, and you perfect your skills. The police can't respond fast enough on a bush without no farmer. Even if they call the police in the middle of the robbery, the police jeep can't take no bush to go help the farmer. They have to defend themselves. They have to defend themselves. And the farmers need to have some kind of system to communicate with each other. Farmer A supposed to can communicate with Farmer B and make them know so them go to a mission, immediately put out the word. Farmer A supposed to can call upon Farmer B, right, to come help him if him going in the bush, right, and he may not buck up in a sci-fi. The man is supposed to get them hands tied behind them, because I know that already. Once untied behind, then I put on knee and life take. That them say the man them defenseless. No, unless the farmer decides to involve him, no believe in firearms and no believe that him rather rely upon hope, then good luck to him. But a farmer man, they want to protect himself, not supposed to get no problem down at FLA. Once him can show him livestock, once him can show him farm, he doesn't have no checkout history of being a top criminal, right, or no diagnosed mental illness, then free up the man them. No long talking. This is easy. Easy, and if you look all over the world, farmers are some of the most armed people anywhere you go. Because countries know say, them can't run in to help a man on a farm so easy, because most of them are some rural spots. You have to defend yourself. Historically, farmers are known to be excellent shooters. You know why? Because they've had to be. Farmers have always had to defend them farm. Like really defend them farm. Say in America, when they go down to the south and a certain place, the farmers them are marksmen. And them not deal with the kind of crime in Jamaica face. If these farmers could better protect themselves, then it would tilt the tide in their favor, because remember say 87 to know the bush like how the farmer know the bush. The farmer is supposed to know the bush at the back of his hand. So even if a little thing broke out in the bush between him and some 87s, the advantage is with the farmer. Plus your favorite 87 I really want, really build for bush life anyway, because them probably are rubbing him in bleaching cream on him. Him probably going in there with shots, and next thing him know want him skin get sliced up on the grass, and the courage could catch him, and he can't manage the bush life. Fast money man look. if Farmer Simpson catch him, he probably not gonna work out too well for him. But when the Farmer have a loss, and 87 have Matic, well, you know them about bringing a loss to a gunfight. Very unfortunate story. These men were big man at age. Probably spend their whole life and work hard. In a sun, in a rain. Maka juke them up. Hand can up, foot can up, back of earth. And your favorite 87 just come take the man them life. And nobody ever say nothing about that. Right. People want to tell you the sad, people want to tell you the 87 sad story. Oh, the society failed him. You know which part he come from, society failed him, he's been through so much. Even though the 87 want to rob the people them and kill them, probably have care and the Farmer not none. Them have name brand in them closet where them victims never see it. But these people, some of Jamaica's most productive citizens, continue to get wiped out by non-productive elements, and you can't even say that. Because woke activists start using them shaming tactics. Make you feel bad. You are the victim now, you get robbed, or you get raped, or your family member get shot, or you get shot. But them want you feel bad. Them start telling every sad thing that's ever happened to the smaddy will actually commit the act against you. So by the time it's done, people start feel sorry for sci-fi, right? And they do. Sci-fi kill. Well, lucky an agent disguised as a human rights activist can't make me feel bad. Nobody can tell me say man do things like this. Man will tie up Farmer and behind them back. Right? Take them life. Should be able to go in a courtroom, go plead guilty and do not 12-15 years. And then come back a road and then people are going to tell him about, well, you see, rehabilitation and he's reformed now. Life, he's already paid his costs, he's already paid his debts. Let's move on. He did his 12 years. Let's move on. What more do you want? We'll eat more, actually. We'll eat more. Anyway, Patient Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. No life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.